to the moment when Judge Whitaker decided that, yeah, Thug should get his stuff back. Brian Steele made a great argument. The DA's office had time to respond. They didn't respond. They let time go by. Brian Steele even gave them a second chance. Just like, hey, guys, are we doing this? And the state was quiet. So here's what happened there.
I have nothing to add, Your Honor. We'll stick by our response. I don't want to belabor that point by just repeating our response.
Thank you. I do believe that it is correct that identification of a legal conflict does not equate to asking for a continuance.
And the legal conflict obviously was Brian Steele was on the Diddy trial. Right. So what the state or what the DA's office was trying to say here is, hey, Brian Steele was over there working on another case. So we couldn't do anything moving forward because Brian Steele wasn't available. Brian Steele said, I am available. I just told you guys, if you're going to do it, can we do it on these dates? Otherwise, we'll figure it out. And the state's trying to use that to say, yeah, we dropped the ball, Your Honor, but it's Brian Steele's fault. Didn't work with Judge Whitaker.
I think counsel that people worked hard in good faith to try to find a hearing date, and we ended up with the hearing date of today. But the procedural rules and requirements of these forfeiture statutes are mandatory. The statutes are strictly construed against the state. There was no request at any time for a good cause finding to move the hearing outside of the windows that are statutorily required. I don't believe
30
that
days and then 60
acknowledging
days.
a hearing date operates as a waiver. The burden remains on the state the entirety of the time.
Yep.
And like I say, there was never any kind of request to the court to find a good cause based upon the hearing date being set for when it was. And I think that the court has no option under the case law and under the statutes but to grant this dismissal. So the dismissal is granted.
There it is. Judge Whitaker doing her thing.
I don't know whether the state has any intention of appealing or not.
Oh, you know they do.
That's not a determination y'all have to make right now. But I would imagine if there is an appeal that the piece of property will be stayed until after that is sorted out. But at this point, that's the court's ruling. Thank y'all.